Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics, where this channel is able to help you to build up your habit in completing a question a day in mathematics. So for this video, we will look at 2022 Kelantan Paper 2 question 1, and this question is from Form 5 Chapter 1 Circular Measure. So before we begin, y'all can pause the video and try it by yourself first. So let's highlight some important parts, which is these two, and we're going to draw it into the diagram. Right, so here the ratio given us is actually for OS, the whole line is 6 parts, but TS only covers 1 part, so meaning OT covers 5 parts. And also they're giving us the radius, which is OR, which is 12 cm. So let's go to part A, which is to find the value of theta. So theta is this part. So the easier way to calculate this is to use trigonometry. So using trigonometry, the things we need is a right angle triangle, which has already given us in this diagram. So it's OR and T. And we just need two lengths. OR is 12, and the other length would be OT. But OT here, we only know it's 5 parts, so we need to figure out the whole length of OS. And actually we are quite lucky because OS is actually radius. So as we know, radius is 12 cm. So this means that 6 parts equals to 12 cm. Since OT is 5 parts, we just multiply 2 with 5, which is 10. So OT is 10. And since we're going to find this angle, so from this angle's perspective, 10 is our adjacent side and 12 is our hypotenuse. So here we're going to use cos to calculate the angle and use the ASTC method to help us find the answer. So remember that cos, tan and sine always have two answers. And since we have cos and the value is positive, the correct quadrants will be these two. So let's assume this value is theta. So if A, we just use the original value, which is theta. But for C, need to use 360 to minus with our theta. So here, you'll get two answers, which is 33.56 and 326.44. So we need to choose one, but here it's very obvious that 326 is not possible because the maximum angle for a triangle is 180. So the answer would be 33.56, but we still need to convert this degree into radians. So make sure it's in 4 decimal place for accurate results. And to calculate the area of the shaded region, we can use the bigger shape to minus out the smaller shape. So here, you can use the big shape, which is the sector, minus out the triangle inside it. So let's calculate the area of the sector first, which is 1 over 2 r squared. So our r is 12 square, and our theta here, which is also the answer from part A, is 0.5858. Minus out the triangle. So here this triangle is a right angle triangle, so we can use 1 over 2 times base times height. So let's say here is the base, here is the height. So our base just now we calculated, it's 10, and the height, height is the thing that we don't have, so we can use Pythagoras theorem to help us calculate the answer. Since we know here is 10, here is 12, and you will get 9.011 cm squared. And we have completed this question. So the take home point for this video is use trigonometry to find lengths and angles. So you can see that in part A, where when we find the angle, we use ASTC to figure it out. And if you are interested in this video's answer scheme, please click the link in the video description, and you feel this is beneficial to you, please give a like, subscribe, and share it to your friends and classmates. So with that, I will see you all very soon in the next video. Thank you.